In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a colorful text reveal effect in Canva. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Canva. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner. Click on that. Click on that. If you're using an existing account, just click on Continue. And if prompted, be sure to select your account to get logged in properly. After you've logged in, you'll be directed to Canva's homepage. Here, go ahead and open your project. You should have your text ready to go for this project because what we'll need to do is create multiple duplicates of the text you want to edit. Now here's the crucial part. Ensure each text duplicate has a different color. This diversity in colors will be fundamental to achieving the vibrant reveal effect we're aiming for. With your colored text duplicates in place, go ahead and highlight all of them. Now turn your attention to the top menu and click on the Position option. From the drop-down, we'll begin by centering all of the text. After that, proceed to click on Middle. This ensures that all your text layers are aligned perfectly on top of each other. Next, let's focus on our layers. Click on Layers to manage them. Make sure the text with the white color, that will act as our cover text, is on top. This layer needs to be the one covering the colorful text below so that we can create the reveal effect. Once that's all set up, again, highlight all the text. We'll now start with the animation process. Head up to the menu and click on the Animate button. There's a wide range of animation options, so feel free to explore, but for our specific effect, we're going to choose the Wipe animation. The wipe animation will give our text the smooth reveal we're looking for. Remember to tweak the animation duration and direction to best fit your design. Once you're satisfied, preview the effect to ensure it transitions smoothly and achieves the look you're going for. Feel free to make any adjustments necessary at this stage to perfect the animation. So there you have it, a colorful text reveal effect in Canva that is sure to capture attention. This technique is perfect for social media graphics, presentations, or any creative project where you want your text to pop. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to experiment with different colors and animations to make it uniquely yours. Happy designing!